Welcome back to This Week in RideShare News. My name is Cecily Jamela. And my first story is pretty interesting, and it may change the way that technology companies do business. A Massachusetts court rejected Uber's efforts to force a blind man's discrimination case to be settled in arbitration, and it may have inadvertently raised the bar for technology companies to try to impose a one-sided terms of service on users without providing clear notice of what they're doing. Christopher Cotters signed up for Uber. Later, he says that he was refused service because he was accompanied by a guide dog. Now, Cotters is blind, and he sued Uber for illegal discrimination. Now, Uber told him that he agreed to arbitration, but he said that he never clicked an agree button. So, users can click on documents, but there is no agree button. Now, one upside I see from this ruling is that in order to create a legally binding contract, a tech company will have to put terms in front of users and get them to agree to them before enforcing them. Police are searching for a woman accused of endangering her children. One of those accounts includes her sending her 3-year-old child to daycare in a Lyft by herself on January 4th. The child arrived safely, but obviously without supervision. The authorities were alerted to this only after the woman left her kids at daycare on the 6th. 2 days later. Now, if you are new to Lyft or Uber, please know that no children are allowed to ride unsupervised in your car under 18. Should someone send their minor child with you unsupervised, you should immediately cancel the trip, or if you're worried, contact the police. Doordash is passing extra fees to customers due to service caps. Are we surprised? No. These new fees have appeared in the past few months in the order total with the city name, such as Philadelphia or Chicago. Now, the names have some customers confused. They think that the fee is going to the city and not Doordash. So some officials actually plan to take Doordash back to court to remove these fees. One official stated Doordash closes IPO today at a value of $39 billion. It donated $500,000 to a grant program, and it's nickel and diming consumers with a $2 fee. Doordash claims the fees are necessary to operate their business. And now for what would you do? I saw this really cool picture of a guy who had surgery, and his Uber driver was there by his side because he had no one else. I assume that the guy called the Uber because he had an emergency and he ended up at the hospital. Heartwarming moment for me. I think that if I had the time, I would do it. Just thought to ask you guys, what do you think? If you were called to bring someone to the hospital and they had no one to be there with them, would you stay with them or not? Let me know in the comments. Hey, I know things are crazy this past week, but please be safe out there. Use your best judgment, trust your gut, and all in all, I pray for you and yours to have good health. Good to see you. I'll see you next Saturday. Take care. Bye.